If you need a reliable commercial roofing contractor in Rochester, New York, you're in luck. There are several options in the area, including Mellow Roofing, Affordable Siding Company, LLC, Harvey Strassner Contracting, and Secor Contracting Services. Let's take a closer look at each of these contractors. While each has its own unique specialties, they offer a wide range of services to meet a variety of needs. Mellow Roofing. If your business is looking for a Rochester commercial roofing contractor, you have a few choices. First, you can contact Exceptional Exteriors. They've been serving the Rochester area since 2012 and specialize in a wide range of residential and commercial roofing services. They also offer roof inspections, periodic maintenance, and gutter installation. Owners of Mellow Roofing have over 30 years of combined experience in the industry. Affordable Siding Company, LLC. If you are considering a roof replacement for your Rochester, New York home, you may want to consider Affordable Siding Company, LLC. They offer complete commercial and residential roofing services. From complete tear-offs and new roof installation, these roofing professionals are certified and experienced. They also install gutters and siding. In addition to roofing, this Rochester, New York general contractor also offers home remodeling services and hardwood flooring. They offer a variety of affordable financing options to help you pay for your roof replacement project. Harvey Strassner Contracting. In addition to providing quality roof repairs, Harvey Strassner Contracting can install a variety of metal roofing materials for commercial buildings. Metal roofing is an excellent choice as it helps a building withstand calamities. Other roofing services offered by Harvey Strassner Contracting include installing clay and synthetic tiles, skylights, and gutter repairs. These companies are also platinum contractors for Owens Corning and GAF. Secor Contracting Services. If you're looking for a professional commercial roofing contractor in Rochester, New York, then Secor Contracting Services is the right choice. Providing services for both new and existing roofing, they specialize in commercial and residential roofing, and are licensed, bonded, and insured. From re-roofing to complete tear-offs, these contractors offer all types of roofing services. They also install gutter systems and handle storm damage repairs. Carter Exteriors. If you're in need of a commercial roofing contractor in Rochester, New York, look no further than Carter Exteriors. Serving Monroe, Ontario, Livingston, and Buffalo, New York, this company provides residential and commercial roofing services and metal roofing options. Affordable financing options are available and they're members of numerous industry associations and certifications. Here's a closer look at what this Rochester-based roofing company has to offer. Rivas Roofing Exteriors LLC. If you're in need of a quality commercial roofing contractor, you've come to the right place. Rivas Roofing Exteriors LLC is a fully insured roofing contractor with a focus on personalized customer service and quality workmanship. With over 15 years of experience, they take pride in providing exceptional service and attention to detail. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.